Hello guys, I've got my prices array. As you can see, it contains some duplicates. So in order to remove these duplicates, the solution is to use a set. So basically a set is a collection that is unique values. So let me show you the solution. So I'll create a new array, unique prices, which is equal to a new set. So basically a set, it also takes an iterable as a parameter. So I'm going to pass my prices. So in order to create a new array, I'm going to use the spread operator here, like this, and I'll console log the unique prices. If I run it, you can see that we do not have any duplicates. So this solution is only limited to primitives such as integers and strings. If you are dealing with an object, this solution is not valid. So let me show you that. Okay, I'm going to comment this code. So I'm going to create a new interface user, which is going to have an ID type string and a name type string, right? So I'm going to create a new users array like this. Let me paste in the objects. So as you can see, I have duplicates objects. So if I try to use the previous solution, it's not going to work. So I say new set users. Like this. If I log the I'm thinking of prices instead of users here, unique users. So if I run it, you can see that the array contains duplicates. So I'm going to show you a solution to remove duplicates. So I'm going to use the reduce method. So let me remove this. So I'll create a user ID set, new set here, and then I'm going to create the unique users. So I'm going to say users dot reduce. So the result is going to be user array, and I'm going to have previous. Oh, let me just call it accumulator here, right? And then I'll say current user here. Okay, this is my callback here. So the initial value of the accumulator is going to be an empty string. This, not an empty string, but an empty array, like this. And then first I'm going to check if the user exists in the user's ID. So if it's not, I'm going to add it in the user ID, and I'm going to add it as well in the accumulator. If it's already present, I'm just going to retain the accumulator. So I'm going to say let current user ID, which is equal to current user, like this. So if, let me move my code. So if the user ID set does not have the current user ID, first I'm gonna edit users ID dot add current user ID, yeah, and I'm going to return the accumulated users plus the current user, and else I'm going to return the accumulator as it is, like so. So I will console log the unique users.log. Let me clear the screen. So there you have it. We now have unique values. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and like. Bye bye for now.